Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy. Well, today we are making breakfast recipe high in protein. We want onion to finely chopped into oil 2 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste half tablespoon. Now add sliced onion. Saute until changes color. Salt as per taste. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add full 2 eggs. Close the lid. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, garlic 4 chopped, red chilli flakes, make fine paste for elli. Now add elli to egg. Now it's ready to serve. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.